Welcome to Hooked on Linux. Today, very excited. We're going to talk about Cachy OS. This is the first time I've opened it up. I just started it up, turned it on, put it on my virtual machine, and up it came. Wow, I'm excited. Let's clean up this desktop here and let's get right at this. This Cachy OS has been complimented on by numerous people in the comments. They would be talking about the Cachy OS, Cachy this, Cachy that, and how much they love it. And so let's have a look. Okay. Oh, wow. I hope you guys can see this. Now, this is the open welcome screen when you first installed Cachy OS. They've got documentation section here, the README, the release information, and the wiki page. You guys can look at all those at your leisure. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna go through it, pretending like I know what I'm doing. You can go on their support forums, software support, launch the installer, get involved, development, and donate. Like anything else, whenever you see a donate button, after you start using the software and you're getting some benefit out of it, and you think, you know what, I've enjoyed using the software, I've gotten a lot out of it. Go back to the donate and, contribute to the cause, because after all, you know what, when you go to work and you make something for somebody else, you like getting paid for it. And in a way, this is how the free and open source continues to thrive, from generous donations from users like you and me. Okay, enough of that. We're gonna get this out of here. And if you're new to Hooked on Linux, I'm going to explain. This is what I do. I look at different operating systems strictly from if I were to use this operating system, this is what I want out of it. So I have a list in my head of certain things that I want the operating system to do, and I'm sure you have as well for yourself. So this is how you pick out your system. You go here. So when Cachy is installed, it gets installed already. Pre-installed software is on it. So we can go to the all applications and click on it. And here is a list, alphabetical, of all of the software that's pre-installed on the system. At least that's how it works with other systems. I'm finding a lot of common elements, Alarcity, I have no idea what this is. It's an OpenGL terminal emulator, so it's a terminal. Okay, there's a server browser. I have no idea what a server browser is. There's a conference browser. I think that's what it's called. There's Cachy operating system. Hello, I think that's what we just saw, wasn't it? Yes, that's what it is. That's the hello. Hello, Cachy. Dolphin. Dolphin is to manage your files. Emoji selector. This is the single most important piece of software you must have on every system. How else can you communicate with your friends, neighbors, and colleagues if you don't have these emojis to communicate with? I hope you understand the sarcasm that's in my voice, because I'm not a huge emoji fan. I use them occasionally. It's just nuts. The emoji selector. That's awesome. Wow. If you don't have an emoji selector app on your Linux PC, go install it right now. Okay, Firefox, gparted. Gparted, it says here, create, reorganize, and delete partitions. Oh, this is for disks. So this is for hard drive disks that are on your system. If I were to click on this, it's going to show me this stuff. Show hardware topology, whatever that is. Hardware topology. Okay. icon browser, info center, calculator, partition manager, text editor, another text editor, and a terminal there, a console. Menu editor, what is this? Edit text files in a terminal for micro. Qt, all this Qt stuff. I don't know what Qt stuff does. It's for stuff that I know nothing about. Spectacle, a screenshot, utility, system settings, another text editor, and what is this one? LFTP, IFTP. That's a file transfer protocol thing. And so, I'm sorry to everybody out there who is going on about Cachy and how great it is. I don't see it out of the box. Out of the box, it just looks like an operating system. Perhaps we should go online and see what they say about Cachy before, learn a little bit more about Cachy. So here, it's a bit more about Cachy. Cachy operating system is a Linux distribution based on Arch Linux, designed for speed and security optimizations. It focuses on delivering high performance through a heavily optimized default Linux kernel using the Bohr, not the Borg, the Bohr, which means burst-oriented response enhancer. Nobody uses acronyms like Linux does. Oh, it's just hilarious. For the burst-oriented response enhancer scheduler, along with packages compiled using link time optimization, LTO. Wow. So this is like a high performance shit going on here. Like, this is like ultimate. This is the cat's ass. This is like Lamborghini on steroids. That's what this is. This is built for speed. Built for speed, boys and girls. I wouldn't be surprised if gamers enjoy this kind of stuff. The distribution supports multiple desktop environments, window managers, Wayland compositors, including on and on. Cachy offers both graphical and command line installers. On and on. Okay, so we got lots going on here with Cachy. It's blazingly fast, customizable Linux distribution. This is exciting stuff. It's very exciting. I only have one thing to say about it. I'll never use it. I'll never use it because it's complicated. So if I have to build a computer, if I have to build my operating system, then I'm done. So first thing I look for is a repository. So let's put in repository here. See what we get. No. I have to go on DuckDuckGo to find a repository. Let's do software. No software manager. Package. Is that what they call them? Package manager? Search DuckDuckGo for package. I don't think there's packages. There's Cachy's packages right there. You gotta go on Cachy's website and it's a package repository search. And these are all the packages. And if it appears like I got a look of confusion on my face, it's because I have a look of confusion on my face. What the heck do I do with this? Do I have to know what I have to know what I'm doing? I'm gonna go on the next page, see if I see anything that. So there's Cinnamon. If I click on the package name Cinnamon, desktop environment which provides advanced innovative features and a traditional user experience. Homepage is there. Source files there. When I see source files, it's telling me that I'm building the software. And building means compiling and all this different kind of stuff. And I scroll down a bit more and I see a word called dependencies. Now, when I see a word like dependencies, I can just figure out, okay, so this is dependent on this and this and this being in place and all these stuff going on. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to build it. I'm not going to build a operating system. I'm not. At least not now. Not yet. Don't know if I'm ready for this. So going back to Cachy, poor Cachy. I mean, we don't even have a spreadsheet on here, right? What if I want to? From here, I'm going to go into Firefox because that's the only browser I have. Thought it was fast. Supposed to be fast. Search your internet. Okay, and we're going to go here with Thunderbird. Thunderbird. Okay, let's download it. Yay! Linux operate download. Other downloads? There's a download there. I'm going to download it right here. And it's going on, and it's a tar.xc file. So once this is down here, it's down, finish. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to open it in the file folder, and it's going to here open with I don't know what to open with. I'm supposed to know. I don't know. So, but even if I do that, it's choose an application to open Thunderbird with. I don't know. There's no extractor or anything. And obviously this computer doesn't know either. Otherwise, it would have offered me something. I don't see anything because I don't know what I'm looking for, right? And this is what makes me stop and say this is not for me. This is way too much work than I'm willing to put in, and that's where you end up drawing the line. Sadly, this is the end of my Cachy adventure. I'm disappointed only in that when I'm looking at an operating system, I want something out of the box that I can just start working with. I have my list of, well, they're all here. They're on the bottom. I'll even name them for you, right? I want to be able to easily install the following: Audacity, simple screen recorder, screenshot utility that works, a calculator, VirtualBox, a GIMP, KDN Live, Irion Webcam, OBS Studio, Chromium browser, Thunderbird Mail, Brave browser, Stacer, which surprisingly I'm starting to use. I never thought I would. Warpinator, and that's it. That's it. So at LibreOffice, right? What else do I use? Nothing really. Those are my big users. So if I have to struggle to download even one of those, I'm not using that operating system. That's my bottom line. And Cachy didn't fulfill my desire, but I don't think Cachy is targeted at the market that you and I are in. We're computer users. We want simple things, right? We check our emails, we surf YouTube, we do a few little things, maybe run a small business. So we have to do that kind of stuff. We're not high-end gamers. We're not programmers. We're not any of that kind of stuff. And if you are, and you're here watching me, thank you. But it's just incredible. Anyway, this was quite the adventure. I'm not going to say I'm disappointed in Cachy. I'm not in the market for Cachy. Maybe that's what I'm going to say. Because we've looked at a lot of different operating systems. A lot of them we could work with, but Cachy, I think, is our first real stab at an operating system that you really need to be an advanced user. I really think so. So if you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can share this with a friend. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning, and we'll talk to you soon.